Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. So for today, which is my birthday, alright, so we'll be going to a restaurant that's located in Portmore Pines called Dice Pineapple. I never knew about this until last week and I was like, it's perfect. I never necessarily want to do one bag of things for my birthday, for find one local restaurant that's within close proximity to where we live and what we're normally doing regular day-to-day, you know, or weekly errands was perfect to me. And the food what them have not look bad. We see some TikTok reviews, of course we go on them Instagram, we see the menu, and we feel like this is a spot that can, you know, can eat and probably revisit because it's convenience. So we gotta deal with it. And then of course Mr. Girl will love my little sweet things, so probably get a little tutti frutti plus some other big men for stop and get some things here. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do for today. Or anything to add?
Hungry.
And in my show for me today, get princess treatment. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. You're gonna see what we endure, how things are. We're gonna tell you how it was and see if somewhere you guys might want to go, but you know, it is spark for interest to go, so let's go.
We are going.
All right. Are we at the right? Oh wait, the way down here bottom. Alright, so quick update. So we decided not to stay over there. Did not seem conducive at all because from the video it was hella busy, so I'm assuming that the good people them on TikTok they went probably a day in the week because over there is kind of uncomfortable. The minute they look good, I see somebody are eating food, name nice plate, it look nice, but the vibe is a little bit too chill. I don't say nothing against it, but just you know, my orange is just actually to sell people, and that's a little bit too much. It was a little bit out of what we expected. So we did pass 876 Terrace Portmore location. Over here look empty, and that's what we're gonna try. Is right here, son? Pull it. Yeah, it is. Alright guys, we totally forgot. So it's a quesadilla. This is my jerk chicken pasta. A girl have to have her pasta.
Tananya would be ashamed of you.
And quiet. Reaction, catch your reaction. I'm afraid for look.
You look at it. To it.
No.
Is that good, Bill?
That's what we're expecting.
Yeah.
So much is talking outside. Guys, we make it out. Yeah, man, I can't go and drive. We make it out. Like proper go island wide. What people call from Mona in a Portmore ask we if we have lights. Like gone. What kind of island wide thing this? Like, oh my gosh. But I'm glad to like go when it go with stills because like I catch tree and then food like gone. And then it's like Orin wanted to use his card and I said, Lord Jesus, you know, for the card machine you need electricity, Wi-Fi and something there. But apparently we were wrong. We didn't even get up a long time and just asked the woman, apparently the card machine didn't work. The first try it did not go through. She go outside to see other people, some communities or some areas get back light. And she tried again and said, yeah, God, the prayer work. I was like, good, finally we can get to leave. We did have 2 other stars, but listen to me. But we're going home. Nothing is certain that the other places have a light. Then we're at the top of the road where we would easily just make a bend and then go home. Whereas if we were supposed to go to the other locations, we could join this traffic. And Pines Road traffic, it just stand up. Sir, where you going? Come on, if another car bumper, you each up underneath. Alright guys, so we're finally heading home. I think I was going to do a quick review from inside the car. And I'm so happy we made the decision to switch. 876 Terrace was empty. And it just felt like we had private dining for at least for the entire time. One lady came in towards basically the very end of our meal. Like when I was getting my drink.
I like the birthday party that come from.
I'm not sure because it would have been at the birthday tables a different something without
well,
yeah. Cause I think she asked for a table for 10 people, and then like I would like go. She said, "Make it way, guys. Make it way, guys." I'm like,
"Come down in the dark on the phone light."
That me say like, Miss, you know, she said like, "Go ahead."
We have everything. You have your bag. You have your phone.
Yeah, my phone in here, my bag in here, my purse in here. Yeah, I have your phone. I have the food. Yeah. So nothing like guys. Yeah, I'm happy that we went there. The food, yeah, man, the food can go on. And it was a good little experience to just enjoy in a Portmore and not necessarily come out and go out so well before we got home and like go up and wait. Lord Jesus. But it was a good experience, you know, get to do everything that we needed to do. But it's something definitely I did pray about. Me I said, God, if things don't go as planned, still I'm find enjoyment through the day. And I guess I know why I make that prayer then. Because things definitely never go as planned at all. But it was good, same way. I've kept a good, we call it, attitude or what do you call that? I don't even know. I get that good emotion, whatever that was. I don't know whether it's like coming to me, probably the joke. Yeah, but basically it was a good experience. I wanted to go to 876 in Portmore for a while now, and that we finally got the opportunity to do so. The first location we were going was just a little bit too busy and it was a little bit too uncomfortable. So we would go there, but a day and a time of day, like in the week, where we don't feel like that heavy, you know, use would be going on. Because the food that they serve seemed like something you would have been good to eat. So one next time. Okay guys, so it is the next day, and as I said in the other part of the video, yeah, if I had bought tutti frutti that night, I would have not eaten it. So it's the next day, and I warm ice cream, so or more frozen yogurt, I should say. So we're gonna head over there today. We have some things to do on the road. We're gonna road 2 times, so I was like, good. So I'm gonna go tutti frutti. I'm gonna show you a piece of it because I know the vlog is even long either way. Yeah. So apparently India's been marked and we have to wait. It's a time for me to come catch them.
My wife.
Alright, so we were finally able to go to Tutti Frutti. Yeah, by the time I get in there, everybody was kind of waiting, so I totally forgot to vlog. But we got, well, my own is a little bit more than Orion's own. He got purely sorbets, and I got like the yogurt, and that pink thing on top is a sorbet. But I got enough to share, orange enough, well, whatever. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching the vlog. See you in the next one. Bye.